Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to get premium or pro Elementor for free. So this video is a step-by-step guide how you can get Elementor Pro for free. It will be a three-step guide how you can get it. So let's see it on the video on our system how you can be able to get the Elementor Pro for free right now. Let's see it. Okay, so when you look at when you come to our plugin section now, you can see that we don't have any plugin right now. You don't have any Pro Elementor plugin right here. So when you come to the pages also, you can also see they are telling us that we need to pay for this, we need to pay for all this particular stuff. So what we are going to do now, let's install Elementor Pro in this website now in order for us to get access to all these features right now. So the right way we do it. First of all, please, I'm going to drop the link below this video, the link that you can get access to this Elementor Pro for free. I will drop the link below this video. The first link below this video, you click on it, you get access to this for free. So let's download let me install the Elementor Pro right now. Install the Elementor Pro. So let's upload it. So the first link below this video will take you to this. You get these files that I'm going to upload right now, the Elementor Pro. So if you need it, get the first link below this video to get access to it. So we're waiting for it to load. Okay. So we can see now we have all this now, but what we wanted is Elementor. Then we click on it and then open. Then we install. We install it right now. Let's install it. So we are waiting for it to install right now. Once installed, waiting for it to install. Just some minutes. Let it install. We are waiting for it to install. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. You'll be getting a lot benefits. Benefit too much. You're waiting for it to just. You're waiting for it. When we find secret like this now, we share it to you. You need to also appreciate us by subscribing, liking, sharing this video, so that a lot of people will get access to this Elementor Pro. Not much they are selling Elementor, so let's just help you to get them for free. Okay, it has uploaded. So I think okay. So we activate. So that remember you upload, then you activate it also. So I'm waiting for it to activate right now. I think it has activated. So we now have Elementor Pro here. So let's go to this and refresh our page. Refresh this page to see whether it's going to show in this place now, whether we are going to get access to those pro features in this place right now, so that it will not be just we are just doing something for nothing, you understand. So let's refresh it now, see if it's going to show in this our page whether we are going to get the features of Elementor Pro in this our website right now. So let's just wait. Subscribe, show love. So we are waiting for it now. We are waiting for it right now. We're waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. It's loading just some minutes. I don't want this video to pass 4 minutes video or 5 minutes video. So the earliest I want this video to be is 5 minutes. But it's already exceeding 4 minutes. Okay, so you can see the pro features right now. I'll be able to use the pro features for right now. So you can see, let me say now, add this. Let me add this. So I'll click here to go to the elements. So I can scroll down. So these are the pro features. I can add this one. I also add this. So the pro features are really working right now. They are working right now. Listen, I want to add I see it right now. So the pro features are really working. Pro features are working. So this is the way you can get access to them. So the pro features are working. See now. So you can see the pro features are working. The pro features are working. So you can be able to use the pro features right now. So use the first link below this video. First link below this video to get access to this. Countdown and you put this. So the pro features is working very perfect. So that is all for this video. Use the first link below this video to get access to this right now. See you in the next video. Subscribe and share this video. Bye for now.